If you remember, but 2 or 3 weeks ago, I was stranded on the side of the road, came home and made this video about how I needed an emergency car care kit. I did not have a booster in there, did not have a tire inflator. So I came home, made a complete kit. You can watch this video and see what's in that kit. But one thing I put in there was the Ryobi jump starter and the Ryobi tire inflator. Now this jump starter just works off the regular Ryobi battery. I got a 2 amp hour battery in here. This one has 3 large capacitors. The battery energizes the capacitors. The capacitors is what really throws the voltage to the battery, gets it to start. This one says it will start around 25 times off of one battery. And this is the Ryobi inflator. I think it's 150 PSI max. Pretty good inflator. I've used it before. I really like it. So both of these I got put in my car care kit. And then a company called Gooloo sent me out this item to test. It's a Gooloo A2. It is a jump starter and a tire inflator. It says here on the side it's got 2,500 amps of cranking power, up to an 8-liter gas engine, 6-liter diesel engine. And it says on site, it says on the Amazon site, 45 plus starts. That's hard to believe off of the one lithium battery in here, but that's what it says. It also states in there, I think from 30 and a half or 30 PSI to 36 PSI was around a minute. We're going to check that out. We're going to be testing this air inflator versus this air inflator to see which one's fastest. But let's take a look at it real quick. I'm going to leave a link in the description on this one. Right now it's on sale for $59, which is a great price. You get a case, you get a little webbing on the back, a little pocket on the back, Velcro on the top here. Get this little sheet to tell you on one side how to start the battery. On the other side is how to inflate the tire. Let's get it out. This is it, very compact unit, you know, versus the Ryobi. And this takes up 2 tools in one. So, like I said, it does have 2,500 crank amps, which is pretty good. Up top here is a place where you mount the hose. You just screw this in the top to inflate your tire. And then on the side here, there's a port that you plug in this accessory that comes in the bag. This is, of course, what you would connect to your battery to jump start it. Okay, let's see where we're at here now. 32, should be at 36. That's 36, 4 pounds extra pressure. Let's see how long that's going to take us. Okay, to take it to 36 took 1 minute and 12 seconds. All right, from 32 to 36. Okay, we got the Ryobi hooked up. It is set to 35. We'll take it to 36. And it's at 32 pounds right now. Let's start it. We'll see how long the Ryobi takes. All right, the Ryobi took 57 seconds. Okay, so let's take a look at the Gooloo A2. As you can see here, 2,500 watts, 150 PSI. The top here has got your flashlight here. This one is your input. This is your input, so it charges at 2 amp, and the output is 5 volt at 2.1 amps. So this is what if you want to charge your cell phone. This unit here, this is where you would screw in your air hose right here. On the side here, is where you would plug in this unit. It's got your leads on it. Take a look at the front here. We'll turn it on. All right, we got a full battery. Right now it's at 0 PSI. You can see this little car here. That's actually an SUV. So we've got different modes. That's SUV, that's car, that's bicycle, and that's basketball. So you can see the PSIs are already preset. But if you want to go up, you want this basketball instead of being 9 to be 10, you just press the plus and minus button. Same thing with the, that's funny because 36 is exactly what my SUV is. See what the car is. The car's 34. Okay. If you want to go up, you just press that. And then when you want to start, you just press and hold this start button and it will go. Over here on the right is their flashlight. 400 lumens, they say. Doesn't look that bright to me, but I have to take their word for it. It also flashes red and off. Very intuitive, very easy to use. And they also give you a sheet here how to start a 12-volt vehicle. Number 1, of course, you just plug in your leads. Number 2, you connect the leads. Number 3, you start your car. That's it. And then remove the leads. So very easy. They also give you instructions for inflating. Very simple instructions. Like I said, so this unit right now is $59 on Amazon. I mean, that's a great price. I'm assuming this jump starter is going to work. Look, Gooloo has a lot of jump starters. They've been selling jump starters for years on Amazon also. So you could go in there and look at all the jump starters. So they know what they're doing as far as selling jump starters. They got anything from 4,000 amps to, I think, 1,500. So, you know, I'm assuming this jump starters, I don't have anything to test it with right now. I'm assuming it's going to work fine. So that's a Gooloo A2. See you next week.